So, guys, I just did a thing. I got Impulse coffees and I'm so excited because I have been meaning to get this coffee for a really long time because I love Sara Sarosh and I really love her brand. So, I think she dropped like a sale, like the Black Friday sale. So, I got this coffee during that sale, and I think it's still. The sale is still going on. I think it is till 1st of December, so you can get it if you want to. And if you really have been meaning to get her coffees, you should go and definitely get it. It's just the coffees are on sale, like on a really reasonable price. So I'm just gonna unbox this baby right here. And I have got like 4 coffees. I've gone crazy. I did not have money in my bank, but still I chose to get her coffee. However, because I just so love, like, I really want to see the hype also behind this coffee. I have never tried her coffee. This is my first time getting her coffee. um so yeah, let's see if it exceeds my expectation. um but I'm really excited, and I have opened this package. Okay, so I have ordered, like, I did order 4 coffees. So let's just open up. So this is the first coffee, and also to tell you guys, I have gotten the 50 gram jars, because the full size I was not able to afford, so I got the smaller size. So first is Mocha Pe Choka. So this is the first coffee I got. I don't know where to keep it because it's like a glass bottle, and if it breaks, my money will go. So the second one I got is Raat Ki Rani Espresso. And oh yeah, by the way, I got 4 coffees and I got like one iced tea coffee free with it. So yes. And the third coffee I have got is Nawabi Pistachio, because okay, so the first of all, Mocha Pe Choka, I really wanted to try her mocha coffee, that's why I got it. Raat Ki Rani Espresso, because yeah, I drink espresso whenever I go out, or for like at the cafes or something like that, so I get espresso. So I wanted to try her that coffee as well. And this Nawabi Pistachio I got because many people have been appreciating this coffee, and many people have been giving reviews that this coffee is the best coffee. It tastes so good, even without adding sugar in it, like on its own, with water or milk. So that is why I got it. Then the last coffee I got is my favorite, my all-time favorite. Not only of this brand, but like in general, it's my favorite coffee, like the vanilla coffee. So I had to get Sara Sarosh's Vichar over vanilla. This is like also very hyped, or very most reviewed, like good reviews reviewed product of hers. So I definitely had to get this one because I love vanilla, first of all. So yeah, and I guess this will be good as well because it's by Sara Sarosh. So yeah. And also I got some goodies. Okay, so I only got like this 4 coffees, and I got this. What is this, by the way? These are the stickers, the coffee stickers, free with it. And also I can see like some card in it. So it's the Shukriya, like the thank you card. It says, Shukriya, we hope sipping on Impulse coffees warms your heart the way your order warmed ours. It's so good. And it says, much love, Sara Sarosh, as you can see. And I don't know, like I like my hands are like, I don't know, it's like shivering and all, because first of all, I know it's the coffees are expensive, and I really had to break my bank. I didn't have the budget to get this coffee, but however, I got it because I thought I would never get like this coffee is on sale on this price, like which I could, like which I was able to afford. So I thought, why should I just delay to get this coffees, because I have been waiting for like months to get it. So to buy that coffee, I was just looking out for a good sale to get it on like a good price. So that is why I'm just so happy that even my hands are shivering, and I'm just excited as well, because this is the first coffee, or this is the first product in my life which I have got from a YouTuber or a content creator which I personally like. I also like Mridul Sharma, but I most of the time I am not like a journal person, like a journaling person, so I am not able to get her journals. But I definitely drink coffee, so that's why I got Sara Sarosh's Impulse coffees. So this is my first product, uh, which I got from like my favorite YouTuber or content creator. So I don't know, I was gonna plan on posting this video as YouTube shorts video. It's like you get to post 3 minutes YouTube shorts, but I don't know, I am like so excited that I have already crossed like 6.5 minutes or so. So okay, and this is the product, like this is the iced tea I got free on those 4 coffees. um so yeah, there are like 5 flavors and 10 sachets, if I'm not wrong. Yes, you get 10 sachets and 5 flavors. There are flavors here: Masti Berry, Strawberry, Chulbuli Blueberry, Lajawab Lemon, Tikhi Meaty Guava Chili, and Pulpul Pineapple. Um, yeah, I this flavors like the pineapple and the strawberry one. It's like oops, oh my god, I'm so sorry guys, I'm just so excited that I just literally dropped my phone. So I think Masti Berry, Strawberry, and what is that, Pulpul Pineapple, you get in this kind of jars, like this kind of coffees. But I didn't know that she sold this in like iced teas as well. But yeah, I got this free, and I didn't have to spend what, 599 rupees on this. Oh my god, I'm just so happy right now. And yeah, that's all. Like there's like a bill. There's like a bill at the end of the box. But yeah. Oh, by the way, yeah, let me just break it down to you. Like for how many rupees I got it. Um. Oh my god. I don't know if it's available here. Okay, it is available. So I got the Nawabi pistachio. The actual price is 529 rupees, but I got it for 377.47 rupees. And the next, which are over vanilla, this is also 529 rupees jar. I got it for 352.81 rupees. And this iced tea is for 599, but I got it for free anyways. So the Raat Ki Rani and the Mocha Pe Choka, those two flavored coffees I got on like a combo, because I calculated if I got those jars, like 50-gram jars separately, it was like more expensive. But the combo, I got the combo for 598 rupees. It was about 1000 something, but I got it for 598.71 rupees. So it's a pretty good deal actually. And yeah, I'm just so excited. I can't wait to have this coffees, guys. I am really excited. And Yeah, I just hope this tastes good. I know it will taste good because many people have given their good reviews. So yeah, I'm just hoping to, if I like this coffees, I am just planning to buy on more coffees, like the bigger jars. I will buy this time. If I'm just loving all of these flavors, and yeah, I have spoken a lot now. So yeah, this was my unboxing video, like the Impulse Coffee's unboxing video, and I really hope you like this video, and I really enjoyed unboxing this coffees because I got very excited. I am still excited and I can't wait to drink it. That is why I actually was planning on doing like a sit down video, like a long form video. Then I thought I should make like a YouTube shorts video because I couldn't wait to drink this coffees. And I think I am gonna go now and have one of these coffees right now because it's currently 6 p.m. So yeah, I probably can have my coffee now. So yeah, I just hope you love this video because I enjoyed making it. And yeah, that's all for my video today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, then give this video a like, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I will definitely love to make this coffee and give you like a taste test on my YouTube shorts. Definitely this time I will try to make a YouTube short video, trying and testing each of the coffees, even the iced tea, even the iced tea, guys. Oh my god, I'm just so fumbling so much today because yeah, the excitement. So yeah, bye bye.